Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. What happened today, about 10 hours ago, I closed my trades on the suspicion of the market was pulling back. My Bitcoin trade was in profit, 17 grand. My Ethereum and Ton trade were down a little bit, but I decided to close it on the rising wedge on Head and Shoulders. Then a few hours after that, the market had a massive crash, and then my orders that I had laddered down triggered, and now I'm in profit. So I made profit on that Bitcoin trade, and then when it dropped down, I added more, and I had closed in profits, and then the drop happened a few hours later, and my trades activated. We're going to jump into my trades. I'm going to show you on X my posts about those trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Whoever's been following me on X, big congratulations. I think we were the only community to make money while the rest of the market dropped. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Going into technicals, and you can see here the market dropped. Uni 9%, Ethereum 5%, Ton 7%, total market cap 3%. Huge drop, 2% on Bitcoin. It went to 112, went to 111,000. The whole market in the red. Tesla's up in pre-market. I'm going to show you on X what I was posting about. So you can see here on X, 110,200 followers. 5 hours ago, 10 hours ago, closing out spot and leverage trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Head and Shoulders forming on Bitcoin, have set laddered orders down. I took profit, $17,000 profit on Bitcoin, $6,000 loss on Ton and Ethereum, 80 Ton and 52,000 Ton and 80 Ethereum. And I took a bit of a loss on those and took profit on the Bitcoin trade. And then 5 hours after that, and people only think I talk about peace. I sold everything 5 hours ago. Now many laddered orders triggered, and my trades went into profit. I had 35 Ethereum, 5,000 Uni, 20,000 Ton, 1.5 Bitcoin. I had set those orders before. You can see here, closing out my leverage trades. And then I said, Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart. Look where I bought Bitcoin. Now let's go into my trades. A few hours after this, so it's been about 10 hours since the drop. My account is about even from around where the drop started. And you can see the trades. I'm now positive on Bitcoin, $64. It's now a 3 Ethereum trade. I closed the trade, 17,000 profits. Then I opened it again at 112,800. You can see here my trades. So this is where I closed it this morning, 115,000. I closed it at 115,000. Then we dropped to 113. I added, and I got exactly also on the 1 minute chart, 111,740. Then we bounced. Then I added more here at 112,000, and now we're getting a bounce. And my Bitcoin trade, $93 in profits. Ethereum trade, $684. Same with Ethereum. Did the same thing with Ethereum. I sold it I posted about it. I warned. I closed my trades 4,375. That was a 80 Ethereum trade, so that drop would be almost $24,000 loss, but I closed it $6,000 in the loss. And then it dropped, and then I bought it at exactly 4,178 and 4,061 and 4,120, and now we're in the profits. Same with Ton, same with Uni, and all the trades have gone green. And I posted these all live on X. So I sold Ton at $3, and then it dropped all the way to $2.50. Look at that. Amazing. And then I activated my trade. All those trades now in the profits, which is beautiful. And I posted all of this on X. As it was happening, I was posting about it. So you can see here where it started. So I'll show you from here, 17,000. You can see this. You can follow this to check it out. But this is about 10 hours ago where I closed it. And then we had an amazing run on Ethereum. I'm still defensively. I closed my trades. And then we got that bounce, which is amazing. Congratulations, everyone. Let's check if that Head and Shoulders. Let's see if that Head and Shoulders has now finished. The trades were even more in the profits. It's pulled back a little bit since the bounce. Oh, around the same. All now in the profits, actually. Now they're all green. So again, you can see here, 10 hours ago, closing out spot leverage trades. I had 17,000 Bitcoin profit, 6,000, 4,000 negative on Ethereum, closing out. And then I set orders, and that 5 hours later, they all activated. And now in the profits, which is beautiful. Let's check out Bitcoin technicals. Tesla's up in pre-market. Bitcoin is down 2%. The altcoins got wrecked. 9% uni. Lucky we closed because it would have been a pretty big drops if I didn't. And I managed to pick up. And you can see Bitcoin, it's coming down to that main trend line. And I was talking about this trend line. It's been climbing it. And you can see we topped out here at 118 and then pulled back. And it came down all the way to 111,500, the main trend line on the weekly. Stochastic is turning down on the weekly, which is not the best. Bitcoin indicator bot, it's the new moon as well, which is interesting. Remember, on the full moon it pumps, new moon it drops, and this has been a consistent pattern. You can say Bitcoin, it's still blue guru bot. You get in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot, fire to sell 5 weeks ago, no change there. On the daily, you can see big drop today. You can see it more clearly on the hourly, and massive volume spike. We came down to from 115 all the way to 111,500, and my trade was spot on with the activation. You can see here 111,740 I got. If you go onto the 1 minute chart, you can actually see that I managed to buy it here. Yeah, here 111,740 on the 1 minute chart. Then I got one here and we're getting a bounce. I added more. So those are my trades now. That's my updates. Join us. All the links are down below. Bybit, best exchange for trading, lowest fees, best liquidity, so the lowest liquidation spikes. WeX KYC free $200 sign up bonus, so anyone in the world can use that exchange. Join the Telegram, 9,000 traders. It's free to join, and join everyone in the Telegram. 892 of you online, discussing no one said what the news was. Apparently there's some big news coming out tomorrow, but I still haven't seen anything concrete as to what that news is. But people discussing, join them in the Telegram to have conversation with everyone. 1 of 10 from 11 hours ago. Love what you stand for, Guru. On point like always, bro. Good luck to everyone. iPhone Air is sick. Congratulations to the winner. And congratulations everyone who saw me get out, managed to close their trades and get that bounce. That was very lucky in a way and amazing. I felt like I had to close the trades. I was slightly irritated. I wanted to close them. As soon as I closed them, then I looked, and then like a few hours later, massive dump, and then it started activating all my trades. I'm like, wow, all of those trades started activating, and we bounced, and it's already around. We made money while everyone else dropped. Hopefully they've share with your friends so more people follow. That's my updates. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn the bell. Have an amazing day. Congratulations on the gains. Next video, I want to do stocks, Tesla, Google, Nvidia, my biggest holdings. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.